Hi there, everybody. Welcome to Red Deer and Red Deer Public's International Student Program. My name is Brian Placido. I'm the director of the program, and very, very happy that you've all come to join us. Unfortunately, I can't be with you today. I'm in Mexico City at a recruitment fair, trying to get some students from Mexico to come join us next year. So I just wanted to welcome you and tell you a little bit about the program and encourage you to, ask any questions that these ladies around here today will be providing you lots of excellent information. Our main goal of our program is to help you reach your potential, to help you grow as a human being, and to help you gain the skills necessary to be a productive citizen while you're in Red Deer and when you return home. And a couple other little words of advice. Everybody around in this room is all in the same situation. You're the new kid in school. You don't speak English perfectly. And I just want to let you know that I've been in that situation as well. A long time ago, I was an international student and studied in France. And I still, to this day, remember the first day of school. I've got a good story to tell you about that, but I won't bore you with it right now. So I encourage you to listen very, very carefully. We're going to get lots of information. Might be too much information for you, but feel free to ask lots of questions. And we're going to be around the schools over the next few days. You get started with your classrooms to make sure that you have a smooth start. So thanks again for coming, and enjoy your